In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Clickup. If you're looking to gather information seamlessly from your team or clients, forms are an excellent tool. Let's dive into how you can set one up and make the most out of Clickup's flexible form building features. First, you'll want to access the form view within your Clickup workspace. To do this, navigate to the space, folder, or list where you intend to create your form. Once there, look for the plus button next to Views. Clicking on this will reveal an option labeled Form. Go ahead and select it, and this will open up the Form Builder interface. Now that you're in the Form Builder, it's time to add and customize your fields. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a variety of field options you can drag and drop onto your form. This includes standard fields like text boxes and drop-down menus. If you have specific data needs, consider adding custom fields or tweaking the existing ones to fit your requirements perfectly. With your fields in place, let's move on to customizing your form settings. Here, you have the opportunity to give your form a unique title and provide a brief description to guide users on how to fill it out. Additionally, you can personalize the form's appearance by adjusting branding elements such as colors and logos. For those on a qualifying plan, the option to remove ClickUp branding is also available, giving your form a more professional and tailored look. Next up is configuring task assignment and applying templates to submissions. Decide if you want tasks created from form submissions to be automatically assigned to specific team members. This can be a great way to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Furthermore, applying a task template can streamline how information is processed, keeping everything consistent and organized. After you've customized your form to your liking, the final step is sharing it. ClickUp makes this simple by providing you with both a shareable link and an embed code. You can choose whichever best suits your needs, whether you're distributing the form via email, embedding it on a web page, or sharing it across other platforms. Finally, how do you manage those form submissions? ClickUp automatically converts each submission into a task, which allows you to manage, track, and respond to the information received efficiently. This setup not only supports better organization, but also enhances collaboration within your team. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a form in ClickUp, empowered with customization and seamless data management. Utilize these forms to collect the insights you need while keeping workflow smooth and productive. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.